Hello everyone, welcome to HT Auto. As an automobile enthusiast, you already know that taking care of your car is crucial for a smooth driving experience. But did you know that it also plays a significant role in determining your car's resale value? Buckle up as we explore the relationship between maintenance and value in this video. First impressions matter. A well-maintained car with clean interiors and a shining exterior leaves a positive impact on potential buyers, encouraging them to consider the purchase seriously. Reliability sells. A car with a consistent maintenance record is perceived as more dependable, giving buyers confidence in their decision to invest in the vehicle. Cars with complete and well-documented service histories generally command a premium, making it a wise financial decision to stay on top of maintenance. Proof of care matters. Detailed maintenance records demonstrate your commitment to preserving your car's performance and longevity, proving your car's worth to potential buyers. Avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance helps catch small issues before they become big problems, saving you money and keeping your car in top-notch condition. Smoother negotiations are possible. With a well-maintained vehicle, you can justify a higher asking price or negotiate a better deal on your next purchase. Brand schedule matters. Sticking to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule enhances your car's resale value, especially if it's known for its reliability. Certified pre-owned advantage. A well-maintained car can open the door to certified pre-owned programs, adding extra value and attracting more buyers. Longer lifespan. Regular maintenance ensures that your car's vital components last longer, contributing to its resale value and overall appeal. Market appeal is crucial. A well-maintained car appeals to a broader range of buyers, increasing the likelihood of selling your car at a desirable price. And there you have it, the powerful connection between car maintenance and resale value. Taking care of your car is not only about preserving its performance but also securing its value for the future. So remember, when it comes to maintaining your car, it's truly mind over matter. The effort you put in now will reward you handsomely when it's time to part ways with your beloved set of wheels. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to HT Auto for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, happy driving.